and we have less than 5 years to act. So it's actually a reminder, it's actually a call, it's actually a wake-up, it's actually a need for urgent action.
Sakina Bello, a leading environmental activist, is doing her part to ensure that world temperatures don't rise above an average of 1.5 degrees Celsius. A 2018 report from the UN Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change predicts that this could happen as early as 2030 and drastically change the global climate system. Bello is urging Nigerians to get involved in the fight to save their country and the world from climate extremes.
So it actually started from the community, from the grassroots, and from the home, and that's how the passion started. Community need to be informed about the effect of their attitude, and they should be called for attitudinal change, because if we don't change our attitude, then we're coming back to zero.
Nigeria has seen extreme weather events linked to climate change, including the flooding of Bello's hometown. According to the Nigerian National Emergency Agency, flooding in 2022 displaced around 2.5 million people, affected over 800,000 hectares of farmland, and caused an estimated $9.12 billion in economic losses. Joseph Ibrahim is the West African coordinator of Climate Clock, a project that sets up clocks that show how much time is left to prevent the global temperature from rising above 1.5 degrees Celsius, the scientific point of no return. He says climate change has caused food insecurity.
We are having increasing floods in our communities, and then we are having longer drought in the north. Sahara Desert is encroaching our land very fast, and so we are losing productive land to the desert.
Aliyu Yauri, an official from the Nigerian Ministry of Environment, says the country has and will continue to scale up efforts to combat the climate crisis.
Recently, the National Council on Climate Change has been established just to ensure that climate change issue is given a priority in the national development programs in Nigeria.
Environmental advocate Michael David says the Nigerian government needs to go beyond policy and into implementation.
The implementation is where the issues are. And again, a lot of this happen only at the federal level. At the state, nothing is being done.
Effecting change takes money, and lack of financing has slowed national efforts, but Bello says she will keep trying, person by person, to stop rising temperatures. For Gibson Emeka in Abuja, Nigeria, Salem Solomon, VOA News.